Hey everybody, I've been getting a lot of calls recently about people complaining of back pain after they have to sit for a really long time. So one of the best tools you can use is this thing called a lumbar pillow. It's awesome, and what I want to do is show you how to use it correctly so that this isn't a reason to just sit all day long. You should still, make sure you interrupt your sitting. However, when you do have to sit, like when you're in a long car ride, a long Zoom meeting, or a plane ride, these things can quite literally save your back. So follow me, I'm gonna show you how to use this, okay? So this is gonna work in any chair. This also can work in the car as well. So in a regular chair like this, you're gonna put this down. It's got a nice strap. You can also put the strap around yourself if you had to. And then when you sit, the most important thing is you don't want to sit like this and just kind of lean back into it. That's not going to work. You can see I'm still really slouched. You want to put your bottom all the way back. Make sure this is right at the small of your back, essentially right above your belt line. And then it's there to help support the curves. You notice I still have my back away from the chair. I'm not leaning back into it. When you're in a car, a couple things to check for problem solving. Some cars have lumbar supports in them. Sometimes you have to actually lower that lumbar support and use this instead so that it works a little better. Then if you find you're using this in a deep couch at home, you need to sometimes put a pillow and then your lumbar support. So that is how you use a lumbar support correctly.